Yo, it's Well, Steve and the crew. We're about to tell a tale, it's funny but true. Pack your bags, let's go with the skies. But first, you know we had to rise and grind. Flight said we hooked. Yo. Yeah. Flight was set, we were ready to fly. Checked in on time, thought we touched that sky. But hold up, wait, there's a twist in the tail. First delay hit, man, we started to pale. Had our snacks, had our drinks, man, we were all in. Then the screens lit up, cancellation sin. The crew was wild, calling up the airline. All the excitement turning sour like lemon lime. Holiday with a bang, we were in for a ride. Sitting on the runway, but we took it in stride. From delayed flights to taxing in style. You know Well, Steve's crew can rock it for a while. Manchester, it was half in the night. On that hot bus feeling it was alright. Sat on a plane for 1.5 hours, waiting to blast off. We needed that power, 8 hours late. Finally feeling bold, but hold on, the hire car's gone, that's cold. Alright then, next step, we called up a cab, rolling the dirt bike base, it's not a drag. Holiday with a bang, we were in for a ride. Sitting on the runway, but we took it in stride. From delayed flights to taxiing in style. You know Well, Steve's crew can rock it for a while. Up in the haze, K greeted us smiling, it's the start of our days. Get some rest, you wild bunch, we got trails to slay. Sleeping like kings, man, we're living the play. Morning came bright with a full English feast. Bacon, eggs, and beans, we devoured like beasts. Fueling up quick, we were ready to race. Dirt bikes revving, man, this is our space. 4 hours of ride and trails calling our names. Through hills and through valleys, we're slinging the flames. While Steve's crew conquered every single terrain. Laughing and grinding, we go insane. Holiday with a bang, we were in for a ride. Sitting on the runway, but we took it in stride. From the late flights to taxiing in style. You know Well, Steve's crew can rock it for a while. So here's to the chaos, the laughs and the waits. From flights to the trails, this adventure awaits. Well, Steve's crew